Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to another Smarty Plans walkthrough videos. I'm back here again to show you another one of my digital planner creations. And I have recently finished this one, the one that I'm about to show you today. So I'm gonna open Goodnotes, and it's called the Simply Planner. This one right here. Let me just quickly go over a few of the things that are important about this planner. So first of all, this planner is undated. As you can see, here it's empty, there's no numbers, so you can write down your own numbers, your own dates. This means that you can use this planner year after year. Okay, so also this planner comes in a weekly format, and as you can see, there's 5 weeks to every month. This planner is really hyperlinked. You can click on many things in the planner and it's going to take you to the page that you want to go to. And it just makes it so easy to maneuver and what's the word? Navigate is the word. Took me a while, honestly. So basically you can just really go through its pages really fast and easy. Okay, so I think that's enough said, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of how it looks inside. So of course, one thing that I didn't mention, but you can probably tell already by looking at it, it's that this planner is horizontal. And I did it on purpose for all the people that now like to use a keyboard. So if you were to use a keyboard, usually the iPad would stand like this, not like this, usually. Especially if you have the new Magic Keyboard or any other keyboard cases, really. Okay, so I'm gonna start showing you little by little by starting with the toolbar, I guess we could call it. Here in the toolbar are different options you can click. So here on the left corner, there's small dots, colorful dots. So each one of them represents a notebook section. So you can just click on it and it's gonna take you there. And also, there's not only just white pages. If I swipe the page, then I have line pages, and then also I have grid pages as well as dot grid. And it's the same, so right now I'm in the red section, so I can go to the yellow section and it's gonna be the same thing. So for every section you get blank, lined, graph, and dotted pages. Okay, so now that the notebook section part is covered and that you understand how it works, by the way, there's 5 notebook subjects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if we keep going on through the toolbar, here we can go to the yearly page that we just looked over. And then you have the months. So you can go to January, February, etc., just by clicking on any of them on the toolbar. And then here on this side, you can go back to the front page, which, by the way, you can decorate as however you want. You can do a nice wallpaper. You can match the season. You can match your mood. So if I go back to the yearly page, if you click on any of the months as well, it's going to take you to the monthly page. Let me go back. And then also, if you click on any of the weeks, it's going to take you to the week. So if I go to week 5, August, I think I clicked, yeah, August. It's going to take me to week 5 and you're going to have the weekly page. So let me go back to the yearly page. So let's take a look at a month. Let's start with October, for example, since we're in October. So the monthly page, it's pretty clean, pretty straightforward. On the side, you have a space for some monthly focus, top 3 tasks or goals, and then a little or long to-do list for the month. Here you have a space to write the date, of course, since it's undated, as I mentioned. And then here on this side, it's what's interesting. You can click on any of these buttons and it's going to take you to that week. So if I click on week 1, and let me just start showing you the weekly page as well. So here I am on week 1. You can see that here. You can see that I'm in October, week 1. So at the top corners, you can see here on this side, since we're in week blah, blah. If I wanted to go to week 2, 3, 4, or 5, I could just come here to the coming weeks and click on any of these buttons. So let's go to week 3, for example. Now I'm in week 3, October week 3, and then if I wanted to go back, I would just come over here to the left corner and now I can see the previous weeks. So I can go back to week 1. So the weekly pages are pretty packed. You get all the days of the week, so it's a Monday start from Monday to Sunday. There's a checklist for things that you might want to complete that day. And then there's a blank space that you can write for anything you want, your journaling, maybe your fitness and health. And here at the bottom, there's the water tracker. And then there's a little space because there's many things that you can write here. You can write calorie intake, miles walked, your steps, anything that you want. That's why there's nothing to specify that. There's a few more things in every weekly page that I think are pretty useful. So you can have your top 3 goals or tasks for the week, and then a list of to-do things. So now if we keep sliding to the right, there's the expenses tracker or the financial tracker. So you can keep track of the expenses for the week and write down the total expenses. There's also a little savings space. So you can have your added this week, total savings. Then there's the habits tracker, which can hold up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 habits for the week. And then there's the sleep tracker. So for the week as well, you can do your graph for how many hours you slept every day. And then finally, there's the meal planner tracker with the grocery list. So here you can organize your meals. So you can have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner already pre-planned. And based on that meal plan, you can do the grocery list more accordingly to the ingredients that you're really, really gonna need. And it's the same for every week. So now I could just close the planner because I have finished showing it to you. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video and the planner, of course, and hope that you find it useful. If there's anything you guys would like me to add for the next planners that I'm going to be making, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed the video, I wouldn't mind if you liked and subscribed to my channel, of course. It really helps out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, which I'm actually going to be filming right now.